Today we're diving into the impressive features of the Tikom L9000 robot vacuum and mop combo, a powerhouse of cleaning technology designed to make your life easier. With its advanced 360 degrees LiDAR navigation, this robotic vacuum creates precise maps of your home and can save up to 5 different layouts, allowing you to customize cleaning schedules for various floors without the hassle of remapping. The L9000 is a versatile 2-in-1 device, combining sweeping and mopping with an electronically controlled water pump and adjustable water output, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Boasting a powerful 4,000 pascal suction, it effortlessly tackles crumbs and debris on hard floors, tiles, wooden surfaces, and low-pile carpets, while its 150-minute runtime and self-charging capability mean it's always ready for action. Control is at your fingertips with the Tuya Smart app, where you can select cleaning modes, adjust suction and water levels, and set virtual walls and no-go zones. Plus it's compatible with Alexa and Google Home for voice commands. With the ability to set up to 14 no-go zones and enhanced sensor technology, the L9000 intelligently navigates around obstacles and avoids drops, making it perfect for homes with pets or complex layouts. In the box, you'll find everything you need to get started, including the robot vacuum, a 2-in-1 dust bin and water tank, mopping cloth holder, spare mopping cloth, charging station, power adapter, side brushes, cleaning brush, spare HEPA and sponge, dust bin transparent blocking plates, a quick start guide, and a user manual.